In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a background image in Word. Let's get started. Double-click on the header area. Click the Header and Footer menu. Now, click Picture, select your background image, and click Insert. You'll see the image in your header, but the edges might not touch the borders. To fix that, right-click the image, select Wrap Text, and choose Behind Text. Then, adjust the size of the image so it covers the whole page by dragging its edges. Now your document image fits perfectly. Now simply click anywhere outside the header area. The image is now locked. It can't be moved or edited. Write your text. If the typing cursor isn't in the right place, adjust the top margin using the vertical ruler. That's it. Your background image is locked and ready to use. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.